Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13 and in this video I will show you how to boot your device on a lock screen. To do it, simply press the start button, then go to power options and tap on lock. And if you want to use a more convenient and a faster way to boot your device on a lock screen, then use a shortcut of Windows and L buttons at the same time, like this. And this way you can boot your device on a lock screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.